Morning Jay, how you doing? Morning guys, little bit of a late start. But nevertheless, we already smacked TPs this morning. It is CPI day, so it is a news day and it is a big day. So guys, welcome to the stream. We're gonna go ahead and break down analysis. I am feeling a little bit groggy. I do have a bit of a sore throat, but just forgive me. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and break down analysis and also plan ourselves for our CPI trade live on the stream. So if you joined, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment and like. We currently have a competition running on Instagram and it's still valid. All you need to do is just share to your status and comment in the comment box and you could win an e-wallet. So, guys, welcome to our second installment. I trust this is going to be a fruitful one. We currently just closed around 60 to 70 pips profit on our first entry in our VIP trading floor this morning. Kervin Pillay, I've got a bone to pick with this guy. Welcome, Kervin. Please reach out to admin. We have something that we'd like to give you. For commenting on SABC TV Live yesterday or last night during the presidential speech, man. You guys just simply amaze me. I love the fact that you are a proud supporter of Epicforex and that you were commenting our company details on there. So it's amazing, man. Well done. Welcome, Kelvin. Welcome, Latasha, Jay, Alistair, Tyron, Preston. How are you guys doing? As you can see, I have marked out our key levels, and these key levels is where I'm expecting price to either reject or respect. So the words for today is reject or respect. If price breaks through these key levels, then we could look at taking trades towards the other side of or the next key level. Now, to get access to these levels, you need to join our VIP trading floor. But if not, welcome to the stream, and you can simply just mark these levels out. So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to mark these levels out. We are half an hour away to London session, and who knows what we could expect. We do have some pending orders currently in place, and we are waiting for price to touch any of these levels. The most strongest level I would say is the level at 4729. Eventually I'm expecting price to reach that level and then push down towards a continuation of bearish structure. Alternatively, price could reject from 4707 and make its way past 4670. So that could be a strong trade for us to capitalize on. And currently it is a waiting game for us. So go ahead, guys, mark down those levels, and I will be with you shortly. Okay, guys, so go ahead and mark down your key levels. These are areas that you would want price to either respect or to reject from. And I told you guys that Forex is about patience, and patience pays out at the end of the day. We had a good day yesterday, not the best of days. We did have one or two stop losses on our runners hit. However, we did capitalize and close the day in blues. So if you're tired of guessing and tired of not having the right direction in the market, then I would suggest that you message the number that's currently on the screen right now, and that's our administrative team, and they will help you and get you started and load you onto our VIP trading room floor. Okay, so if you guys mark down your levels, I want to see the chat box. If you have, then we can dive into the next segment and speak a little bit more about what's currently happening with the markets and with gold. So mark down these levels. So guys, currently what's moving gold? As you can see, we are to the new guys trading gold versus the US dollar. Um, and I always say this when I teach new clients and when I teach new students, is that you constantly imagine yourself when you are trading, imagine gold and the US dollar in a boxing ring, and both of them are fighting with each other. So if gold is strong, then the dollar would be weaker. If the dollar is strong, then gold will be weaker. And when we are looking at the chart in front of us, it's representing gold versus the US dollar. And obviously, if the dollar is strong, then gold will start to be weaker, and that will be a bearish momentum. So a lot of key things to take away from our streams, and we're trying to be as simple as possible so that the beginner who wants to learn how to trade can actually grasp these concepts. So if gold is strong, then you would see there would be a lot of green candles and a move towards the upside. Price could only move three ways, and that three ways are upwards, downwards, and sideways. Now there are trading terminologies that we use, which is for upwards and an uptrend it's called bullish, and for downwards and a downtrend it's called bearish, and then your sideways momentum is sometimes called consolidation, it's called accumulation, it's called a range. And those are three ways that price could move. If we are looking at taking a position and we expect price to reach which is currently at $4,700 per an ounce, and we're expecting it to reach $4,730, then we would want to place a buy, because if we place a buy now, we want price to travel to a certain area in an upwards direction that will result in us making profit. Okay, and if we had to sell on the opposite end, then we'd want price to move downwards. So it's something that I teach our new clients and new beginners and our mentorship students. There's only two buttons that you can press, guys, and those two buttons are either a buy or a sell. Sounds simple, but there's a lot behind it. What moves the markets are basically driving factors like economic data, as well as buying and selling pressure that moves the market. Are there any questions in what time frame are we looking at? Ashik, we always use the 15-minute time frame. Now, that's the time frame that I'm comfortable using and that I use and that I've been using for many years. I'm not saying I don't pay attention to higher time frame analysis. However, when we are trading and how we position ourselves as Epicforex is that we are a scalping team. We'd like to go in, take away 50 pips to 100 pips per trade and call it a session done. So we are looking at the 15-minute time frame. Guys, we have marked out our key levels. Excuse me. And you notice that gold fell hard during the Asia session. And that's because of the fragile ceasefire between the US, the United States, and Iran. As you know, that there is a conflict that's currently happening and a disagreement on the table, and both parties are trying to work towards a solid conclusion. However, it's left the market in a very undecided phase. If you look at what happened last week during NFP, you had a strong move towards the upside, and now yesterday as well you had a bit of a move towards the downside, and then back a move towards the upside and down again. So we are in a massive consolidation, which means we are in an uncertain times at the market. However, it is trading opportunities and opportunities for us to enter positions, and we at Epicforex, we enter a trade every single day, minimum of 2 trades in our VIP trading floor. So if you want to join VIP, then you need to message the number that's in the bottom. All right, so yeah, let's go on to CPI. So today is CPI, and anyone in the chat box, can anyone tell me what's CPI? Anyone? Apart from you telling me that it's an opportunity for you to triple or double your account, it means consumer price index, okay? And that measures the average change over time in terms of prices paid by consumers for a representative basket, okay? And I'm reading a simple example from, or simple description from the net. But basically, it has it's between inflation and deflation of consumer products, like what you would buy at grocery stores. Now, this is simply for the US. However, as you may know, the US dollar is a driving economic currency, and a lot of what happens, even in South Africa, if the dollar is doing poorly, then our rand will strengthen. But if it's doing excellent, then we do have some increases in price. And when there's oil shortages like what's currently happening at the moment, then we have an increase in the petrol price. So a little bit of knowledge for you guys to take away, and that's what we're trying to get through on the live stream, is that if you can learn a little bit, then it's a benefit to you. Okay, so today's CPI, and CPI is at 1430. I stand to be corrected. So guys, we will be dropping obviously a trading direction or a signal on our VIP trading floor for that. If you do need to get started, please reach out to admin right now. The number is 063 888 3721, and reach out to Mel. She'll help you and get you started. If you do have any further questions, you can reach out to me directly, and my number is all over socials as well. Okay guys, so we marked out our 3 levels. Unfortunately, it is a waiting game again. We are in profit for the day, around 6,000 to 8,000 rand profit, because we took a mini scalp this morning just before the London session close, or the Asia session close, sorry. And we are currently in profit, so that's a good start to the morning. If you do want to have quick alerts and quick access to our trading alerts, then you know what to do. If you have marked out your key levels, this is what we're actually looking for. We are looking for price to respect any of these 3 levels and reject off it, or break through any of these key levels. Personally, I would like to short gold from around 4,730 all the way down to around 4,670. That could be your final TP. So that's basically what we're actually waiting for during this London session. Yesterday we had a great breakout during the London session. So although it was a very choppy day, we did have some and did catch some moves. Are there any questions in the comment box? If you guys are unclear about any of the levels, how you get access to these levels is you need to join our VIP trading floor, and you would see that we have different styles in which we trade. We place buy limits and stop limits, as well as enter the market when we need to enter the market. So for now, mark down your key levels and we'll be back. Okay, guys, we got 5 minutes or 8 minutes left for London session. I'd like to see how the market reacts and how the London Stock Exchange opens up. But that's basically what we're trying to get to. So if you just joined, welcome to the stream, guys. Saka, welcome. I think it's your first time here. Also a brand new trader. I hope that you are going to learn a lot from us. And if you do have your trading view open in front of you, you can mark down the key levels and wait for price to break through, which means disrespect or respect any of these levels. If price rejects strongly off these levels, we could look at entering positions towards the next level. Ideally, I want to be trading from 4,730 to 4,729 around there, or 4,727 is the areas that I'm looking at actually trading from. So let me just make this a little bit bigger. So when price gets to this area, we want to see a strong rejection of this area, and hopefully targeting the next key level and the next key level and further breaking down. You know the saying, the trend is always your friend. 3 ways in which price could move upwards, downwards, and sideways. And currently we are in a bearish or a downwards trend. That's what's currently happening right now in the market. So far the range between the day, you could see on the right hand side, and the market technicals are currently neutral at this time. When they say technicals, there's 2 ways in which you can break down the market, and the one is fundamental, like reading news and news events that move the market, as well as technical analysis. So you get EMAs, you get indicators that you could use that help point you towards the direction in which the market is going. Now, if you had to look at data on YouTube, and if you had to look at information on how to learn how to trade, you would come across a few things called indicators, and those are tools that you can use towards identifying possible trend reversals or structure reversals. There's many trading concepts out there. If you'd like to bypass all of your time of wasting money, like I've done in the first 4 years of my trading career, I tried to learn every single strategy and it did not work. Okay, so what I trade is what you actually see right now. The proper words and terminologies are obviously explained in our mentorships, and if you like to sign up for that, you could just simply message admin. Okay, you just answered my question about trend. Best is to always trade with the trend. Correct, that's the golden rule. Counter trend trading, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I do it a lot, especially the fact that we could find positions every single day and take away a minimum of 50 pips in the market. That is proof enough that you can counter trend, but you need to counter trend at the right times. For example, if we had price reaching $4,686 per ounce, and we had a strong wick rejection like what you see at the bottom of the screen where I'm hovering over. Then you would look at taking a buy position towards the next key level. Now that is a counter trend trade, is buying when the overall market is actually in a sharp decline. Now it can be very risky because at any given time the market could reverse from there. So that's why having your stop losses is very important. At all times you want to be risking minimum 10% of your account or maximum 20% of your account. Do not full leverage unless you have the money to full leverage. Yes, we do full leverage trades. We do full leverage positions. That's what we do sometimes, but not all the time, because we want to protect capital. If I do say, guys, let's go in hard, I mean let's go in hard. And when that does happen, we normally cash out on a massive trade because I make sure I'm 200% correct. So we do things a little bit differently at Epicforex. As you can see, we're trying to be as simple as possible so that even a newbie like Saka will be able to understand what's actually happening in the market, because this information is given for free and we'd like to also leave a lasting impact. We were a free community for a long time. Unfortunately, businesses cost money to run, okay? And we do have a dynamic team that need to be fed and paid as well. So if you have been supporting Epicforex, to all of the supporters on there, thank you so much. Make sure that you are subscribed and that the notification bell is turned on so that whenever we do go live, you are made aware immediately. Have you marked down your key levels? Yes or no? This is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for price to reject off these levels and we would enter our next position. We do have pending orders that are already placed in our VIP trading floor. So now is the time where some of those guys would just sit back and relax and watch and wait for the market to do what it needs to do. All right, so guys, if you haven't marked down your levels, please mark down your levels. It's officially London session, and you could see, look at that big candle that's forming, a bullish candle, and tapping into this level. We're paying close attention to see what actually happens. For me personally, entering in around 410 to 4705 is a little bit risky. I would like to see a clean breakthrough this level for me to target and wait for a continuation sell. So I'd like to see price break through this key level, go all the way up to 4730 and then get a rejection on the way down. Price could do anything, guys. Price could continue to move bullish for the rest of the day. That is why marking our key levels is important, because we'd like to get a break and a retest of that level before continuation or before looking at taking continuation trades. So yeah, any questions? Let me just go through the comment box. Most of the guys are just support messages. Tyron, yes, we hope we have answered your question. All right, so guys, let's wait and see what happens. We got a massive candle that's already 100 pips up. That's making its way to our key level, has touched our key level. I want to see how price behaves at around 4,708. So let's go and move this a little bit more up and adjust this. Okay, guys, mark down your key levels. We are currently in London session, and basically, what's actually happening right now is that we are getting price basically moving towards one of our key levels. We will be dropping some entries. However, I would possibly give a free signal as well on the stream. If you are tuned, make sure you are tuned and you are paying close attention to these levels. Okay guys, we have dropped an entry on our VIP trading floor. We currently around 6k up in profits, and moving steadily and surely into profit. So we have dropped an entry, and we are currently in a profitable trade. If you'd like to have immediate access to that, excuse me, if you'd like to have immediate access to those levels and those key areas, we would suggest you join in our VIP trading floor. It is not much, it is just $3.99 per month, and you have instant market alerts where we are entering positions and you will not miss out on those positions. So we're currently in a trade, and it is a counter trend trade. We are in a buy trade, and we are targeting just 100 pips on this trade. So make sure you mark your levels down, and I'll give you an update shortly. So yes, guys, currently waiting. We in a trade. We back at break even, and we are waiting for the market to continue its move. So if you are on our VIP trading floor, you would be in this trade, but we are currently in a buy. And the free signal is the free signal. Pay attention, the free signal. If you want to enter a trade, we are currently in a buy. You may enter right now, and our stop loss is 4693. Remember, this is not financial advice. Please trade responsibly and manage your risk at all times. This is strictly for educational purposes. Disclaimer. Okay, that's a good one. We're back in blues. We're holding a slight drawdown, about 13k up in profit already. Let's hope we get a continuous move towards our key level. That's where we'll be looking at banking some of our profits and getting into the right mindset for CPI. So a little bit of a up and down movement today, but currently up 15k in profits, and that's now climbing to around 17k. So if you haven't marked down your levels, please mark down your levels. We're currently in a trade. We have sent this trade out for free live on stream as well. So far it's around 30 pips profit. Let's see what happens, guys. We hold in anticipation for a positive outcome. All right, guys, mark down your levels and I'll be back shortly. profits. You can see that. Deep blues. So price is currently just hovering around our entry, and went into around 20 grand, 26 grand profit. Um, for those of you that banked some profits, well done, but I'm still holding. It is CPI day, so the market can be very choppy. Remember, not every day is a winning day when it comes to trading. We're currently in profit in our trade and overall for the day. However, we still in minor profit. I would have liked to be in substantial amount of profit by now. However, this is trading. The markets doesn't move for us, guys. It moves the way it wants to move, and we just got to be a little bit patient. So mark down your key levels. Make sure you've got them down for the rest of the day. You're going to see price either manipulating one of these levels and making a proper move. My overall bias for the day, although we in a counter trend trade at the moment, is a bearish. I would like to see price come to around 4,730 and then reverse from there. But if it doesn't, then price can do whatever it wants to do, and we've got to react to that. We trade what we see, not what we think. Okay, so make sure you jot that down. We trade what we see, not what we think. And currently we are in a trade. We do have a few pending orders as well that's currently listed in our VIP trading floor. If you'd like to join our VIP trading floor, please message 063 888 3721 and admin will get you started immediately. For now, enjoy the music. We'll be back. I'll tell you when to close and when to bank. Okay, guys, we're back in drawdown and we are waiting. Markets is doing its own things this morning. However, we do have, excuse me, we do have a stop loss in place. And if we hit that stop loss, then it's fine. We're out on the trade. But we're currently quite far away from that. And we're hoping that we would get a continuation of our trade. Guys, we are going to be live streaming the next session on Thursday this week. Excuse me. And we would be having a guest, and that guest is the official Langa X from HFM, who is also a trader. Many of you know him as our account manager, but Langa is also a professional Forex trader, and he does trade gold as well. For those of you that know him and know me, we have a close relationship. So he'll be joining us as a guest on stream this week, Thursday, sharing some market analysis as well as insights and as well as what's to be expected in upcoming promotions and competitions at HFM together with Epicforex. If you want to win 1,000 Rand e-wallet, head over to my Instagram's page, which is _Epicforex, and you would see we currently have a 3,000 Rand e-wallet competition that's currently running. Winners will be announced next week. Okay, winners will be announced on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So the competition is only going to be running for a day more, and you could win $1,000 from us at Epicforex. That's what we're about, man. We like giving away cash and we like enriching the lives of people around us. We're the trendsetters. We've been doing it for a long time. We gave away 50K. We gave away so many other things, a brand new iPhone. Hopefully one day we'll be giving away a car as well. So if you have joined the stream, welcome. And these are our key levels. Mark it down. Today's CPI at 1430, which is 2:30 this afternoon. We're currently in a trade, currently in profit for the day. However, in a slight drawdown of around 20 pips and still holding. So let's see what happens with this trade. We're going to cut the stream off right here. Thank you guys for joining us. If you are on our VIP trading floor and you'd like to join our VIP trading floor, the number is 063 888 3721. Message our administrator and you'll be added. If you are in a position and you have taken some of the profits and banked some of the profits, well done to you. See you guys on Thursday. Thank you for joining, and don't forget, like,